Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Taskmaster. Myself Inayat. In this video we can learn about how to create base features by using CREO 3.0 solid modeling tool or software. Here I am using CREO 3.0 version of solid modeling software from PTC parametric. If you are using 2.0, the same procedures and steps shown in this video is similar. So friends, let's start creating the base feature. In this video I'm going to show you only to create the extruding features or extrusion features. In my feature videos I will show it one by one features like revolve, sweep and helical cut. So let's start. So open the CREO parametric 3.0. This is the graphical interface of 3.0. There is no much difference in 2.0 and 3.0. Don't worry about if you have 2.0, just follow the procedure what I am going to show you in this one. This video is very helpful for the beginners who wish to learn CREO. If you are new to the any solid modeling software, or if you are using any other solid modeling software like SolidWorks, NX, UG, you can learn CREO by using this video without going anywhere to learn in institutions or in centers. So to create first extrusion features or any base feature, we need to go to create a new part. For creating the new part, just I am going to select new. Here I need to specify the what you are going to do, like you are creating sketch, part, assembly or layout or drawing or format as per your requirement. Here you have to select. I am here selected part. I am creating the part. In subtype you have to select solid model, sheet metal or bulk as per your requirement. Here I am selecting solid, and then we require to give the name of the part. So I am giving here as a extrude underscore test, then common name, leave it, use the default template. Here in CREO it will give the default template, or you can create your new template. I'm going as a use default template. Click OK. In CREO we will get 3 default datum planes. These are called as a datum plane. Yeah. So it will give the 3 default datum planes, or you can add extra or datum plane, n number of datum planes as per your requirement. Here I am going with the default datum planes. For to creating new datum planes, axis or planes, I will show you different videos in future for the particular exclusively for datum planes, axis and points, coordinates, how to create that one. So before starting to create any features to build, it's very important to set the units. To set the unit, just you go to file, prepare, model properties. Here you can find the units. Presently it is in inch lbm second. To change this one, you have to select change. You need to select units as per your requirement. This is right now in inch format unit. So I'm going to select millimeter, Newton and second as my desired unit. After selecting a unit, go to set. Here it will ask you change the options. How do you want the model units to be changed? Here we will get 2 options: convert dimension or interrupt dimension. Here one point I want to mention what is the meaning of this one, convert dimension. It means that it will be maintain the same size but changes the dimensions. And second one, interrupt the dimension. It will maintain the same dimension but change the size, means vice versa. So I'm going to select convert dimension and going to select OK, then close, again close this window. On to extrude, just go to select the extrude icon. This is for extrude icon from the ribbon or base feature tools. Select the extrude, then you will get the dashboard. This we will call as a dashboard, this one, and this is called as a ribbon area. So defaultly the CREO 3.0 here will showing that the placement as a red highlight. That means you have to select the placement and then you have to proceed for the building of the feature. To build the feature, just go to placement, sketch, define, and here sketch plane. You need to define the sketching plane, on which plane you need to build this feature. Here you can select the feature from directly here, or you can select from the model tree. I'm selecting from model tree. I wish to build the feature this from the on the top plane. Just go to select, click this sketch. Here click on this symbol. This symbol is just orient the sketching plane parallel to the your screen. This can be set as a default, but I'm kept as a manual. Okay. And one more thing, this symbol is for as a reference, means your sketch, how you want to reference your sketch, from which orientation. To set the reference, just go to select, and here already defaultly it is taken as a reference from the right and front datum. It's all depending upon your sketching plane. It will take as a reference, or if you have any other reference, you can select this one as a reference. Okay, close. Here I'm going to show you a simple square block, how to build this one. I'm selecting rectangular from the ribbon. I added a center line to make as a symmetry. These are the weak dimension. Once you create the sketch, CREO will give you default dimensions. You can change these dimensions by clicking on this one, double clicking. Just I'm giving dimensions as a 100 by 100. Okay, if you say OK, the feature will go further. If you cancel, you can cancel. This is right mark as to say as a OK. If you say OK, the view in the your working area is showing that your feature in the process of building. Here directly you can specify the dimension from your working area, or you can set the dimension from the dashboard. Here the arrow in pink color showing that your feature built is in a direction. If you want to change the direction, you can change the direction. The direction is from the reference plane where you created sketch. You can change directly here, or you can change your feature direction from the dashboard also. And here you can specify the dimension size. This as a this symbol will show you extrude sketch or sketch plane by the specified depth. Means from the reference plane you require to specify the dimensions exactly what you required. And this symbol is for symmetry. That means your feature will be symmetry from the reference plane. I will show you. Will select and see 200 as a dimension, entire model part dimension. It's 100 from this side, 100 this side. And again we have so many options here, but at this moment these two are enough. I will show you in further in this video. Okay, just I'm going to select again the specified dimension because I want to show you some these things. Okay, and here we have the options in the dashboard. If you select the dashboard options, you'll find this here, the side 1 and side 2. This is depth. Here we call it as a blind or a specified dimension. This is the reference plane. If you wish to give the specified dimension to the other side also, you have to select the option, the required option. To selected option, here I don't have any reference plane, so I am not selecting. I am selecting the blind. Blind means the specified, you have to specify the dimension for the so for the required dimension. Here I am directly giving as a 20 here in this side, or you can select from the dimension from here. In option you can select. Here we have one more option. Just if you want to give the taper to your feature or your part, just go to add taper and specify the taper angle like 2 degree or 3 degree or 1 degree. So see how the part is changing the taper as per requirement. So right at this present I'm disabling this one. I will keep part as it is. So I'm going to this one again. Here we have one more option in extrude, the thickening the sketch. If you want to build the part like some specified thickness part like 2 mm 3 mm, just go to select this one, this option. See how easily we can build the thickened part just by clicking the option on. Just I'm going to 2 mm thickness. Here again we have the option to flip in which side thickness you required, either inside or outside. See, it's showing outside and again it's inside. mm, this is all about extrude as a solid. This symbol is extrude as solid, this symbol as a thicken. The in extrude option we can use all those things, so I'm disabling this option, keeping the solid itself. And apart from this we have one more option, extrude your part or feature as a surface geometry. Just you need to select extrude as a surface. This is the surface symbol in CREO. Just select this one. See, your entire part become as a surface. So these are the options and features so we have in our inside the extrude commands. uh, Hope this will clear and these steps are useful to you to learn the base features in CREO. Just I'm going to select here one more option. If you select this cross marks, you will exit from this feature, and if you say okay, your feature will be created. Here we have one more option to preview. If you select this one, preview will be shown on your screen how your part will be created. If you want to resume again, just go to select this one, click on resume. So I will select this one. Okay, this is your part you have created by using the extrude feature. Hope this is clear, and these steps are very simple, so you can learn step-by-step procedure how to create extrude in CREO 3.0. Thank you for watching video. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.